I'm Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the CGI Sparta single hung 4100 series. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the window and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here is the CGI Sparta single hung window. It is an equal light configuration. I'm now ready to unpackage the window safely. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install, starting with the right size level, impact screw gun, tape measure, flathead screwdriver, glass cup, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the window and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, we're going to install the window and show you the best practices of how to seal it.